Hi Mathletes, welcome back to Math Space. In this video, we will continue the series of multiplying polynomials where we are focused on binomial by a binomial. So I will be teaching you two methods which are vertical and FOIL method, and you may choose which method is more comfortable for you to use. So number one, we have x plus 5 times x plus 2. Okay, so the vertical way, so just multiply x times x, that is x squared, and then 5 times 2, that is positive 10, and then x times 5, let's multiply across, 5x, and then 2 times x, that is 2x, and then combine them together. Since they are like terms, that is positive 7x. Okay, using the FOIL, we have x plus 5 times x plus 2. So first terms refers to x times x, so that is x squared. Next is the inner terms. It refers to 5 and x, so that is 5 times x, it's 5x. And then we have outer terms, which refers to x, and then 2, that will be 2x. And then lastly, last terms, which refers to 5 and 2, so that's positive 10. And then make sure to combine like terms, so that gives you x squared plus 7x plus 10. Okay, next example, we have x minus 3 times x plus 5. I will just write the problem first. So first, multiply, that is x squared, negative 3 times positive 5, again include the sign, so negative 3 times positive 5, that's negative 15. X times negative 3, that's negative 3x. 5 times x, that is 5x. Combine them, that's positive 2x. Okay, using the FOIL method, x times x, that is x squared. And then inner terms, that's negative 3 times x, that's negative 3x. Outer terms, that's x times 5, that will give you positive 5x. And lastly, we have last terms, negative 3 times 5, which is negative 15. Combining like terms, we have x squared plus 2x minus 15. Number 3, we have x squared plus 2 times x minus 3. Okay, so multiply, that gives us x raised to 3. So this is squared, this is just x, so x squared times x, that's x cubed. Next, 2 times negative 3, that's negative 6. And then next, we have negative 3 times x squared, that's negative 3x squared. And then lastly, we have 2 times x, that's positive 2x. So we cannot combine these two because they are not like terms, so we'll just copy them out. 3x squared and 2 is positive, so plus 2x. Okay, FOIL method, first terms, so x cubed. Inner terms, positive 2x. Outer terms, that's negative 3x squared. And then we have last terms, 2 times negative 3, so that's negative 6. All right, there are no like terms here, but we can arrange them in order from highest exponent to lowest. So x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 6. Number 4, we have 2x minus 5 times 2x minus 3. right? So multiply, this gives us 4x squared. Negative 5 times negative 3, that gives us positive 15. And then cross multiply 2 times negative 5, or 2x times negative 5, that is negative 10x. And then negative 3 times 2x, that's negative 6x. So combining them together, that's negative 16x. Alright, so FOIL, first terms, that's 4x squared. Inner terms, that's negative 10x. Outer terms, that's negative 6x. And last terms, that's positive 15. Combining like terms here, that gives us 4x squared minus 16x plus 15. Alright, last example, we have 5x plus 8 times x plus 3. Okay, so multiply. 5x times x, that's 5x squared. 8 times 3, that is 24. X times 8, that is 8x. 5x times 3, that's 15x. So adding them together, that gives us positive 23x. Right? So FOIL method, first terms, that's 5x squared. Inner terms, that would be positive 8x. Outer terms, that would be positive 15x. And last terms, we have positive 24. And then combine like terms here, so 5x squared plus 23x plus 24. And that is how to multiply binomial by a binomial. Once again, this is Teacher B, and see you in my next video.